Hi, nice to see you. We are obsessed with technology here at ART because we've got so many options available on our CNC machines. We've written our own CNC machine configuration software. This allows us to select any of the hundreds of options, and it instantly modifies the 3D model to match the size and parameters. It also calculates the price and generates a written quotation for our sales team. Pretty cool, huh?
Advanced robotic technology. So cool that we use our own products to build our own products. Robots building robots?